If you have a high level of proficiency, expertise, and experience in a field, you may have thought about how to start a consulting business. Starting a consulting business can be a wonderful career option for individuals who want to leverage their knowledge and skills, while enjoying the flexibility and autonomy of self-employment. Even if you don't presently have experience doing the type of work you're interested in, you may be able to achieve your dream with hard work, education, training, and attention to complying with the professional and legal requirements. In today's video, we'll go through the ins and outs of legally starting a consulting business and discuss the 9 steps you need to do to set yourself up for success. How to set up an LLC for your consulting business. Step 1. Choose a state to register your LLC. You should incorporate your LLC in states where you want to start your consulting business. In specific, business-friendly states like Delaware or Nevada can be a good place to start. You can register your LLC in these states easily even if you live in another country. Step 2. Choose your business name. Some consultants use their first and last names in their business name. Some decide to create a fictitious name to market their companies. In most states, a consultant operating as a sole proprietorship would not need to register the business name if it includes the business owner's first and last name, such as Danielle Ruiz Life Coaching Services. If Danielle would want to use a more creative name, such as The Right Path Life Coaching Services, she could file a fictitious name registration, also known as a DBA, with the appropriate state or municipal government agency to get permission to use the name. An LLC's or corporation's business name becomes automatically registered when going through the process of registering the business, regardless of whether a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. It's critical to check to make sure another business doesn't already use the business name you want to use. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. In general, you must have a registered agent for your LLC. Simply put, a registered agent is a person, individual, or company who receives legal papers and has responsibility for filing for your consulting business. Your registered agent must have a physical address in the state where you incorporate your LLC. If you have LLCs in more than one state, then you need to appoint a registered agent for all those states. Step 4. Create your LLC's operating agreement. Even though most states don't require it, all LLCs with 2 or more members should have an operating agreement. It is a document that outlines the operation and the agreements between the owners of your LLC. Step 5. File Article of Incorporation with Secretary of State. After that, you must file the Certificate of Formation with your Secretary of State's Business Entities, Division, and the Office of the Judge of Probate to officially incorporate a new domestic limited liability company. The state filing cost for LLCs is between $100 to $750, and it depends from state to state. The filing fee for foreign LLCs is usually a bit more than domestic LLCs. A domestic LLC means that you are already a resident of the state you live in and want to build a business in that state. Foreign LLC, on the other hand, is for people living outside a U.S. state but wanting to start a business or a franchise of their business in that specific state. With that said, most businesses would be applying for a domestic LLC. You can file the Certificate of Formation online or by mailing it to the Secretary of State. Expect the LLC certification process to take approximately 2 weeks. This is 3 to 4 days for the probate judge and 10 days for the Secretary of State. Step 6. Apply for business licenses and permits. There may be different types of licenses and permits required by the state, county, or local municipalities. Some jurisdictions may require a general business licenses, there may be zoning permits, or a consultant may need professional or occupational licensing, example real estate agents and insurance agents. It's important to know in advance what your consulting business will need so that you're operating legally. Step 7. Create templates for proposals and contracts. Consultants must be able to clearly describe the services they will provide to their clients and provide details about each party's responsibilities, and how those services will be delivered, priced, and billed. There is a variety of proposal and agreement software options out there that can be used to create templates. which can then be customized for each individual client. Some consultants create proposals with a signature line that, after a client signs off, transforms the proposal into a bona fide contract. Some consultants issue a proposal and then a separate agreement that recaps what was proposed and includes additional details regarding the business relationship, payment terms, and other information. Proposal and agreement software makes the process of legal document creation easier for consultants. However, it's still important to get the insight of an attorney to ensure that contracts are thorough and fair. Step 8. Obtain an EIN. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a federal tax ID issued by the IRS. They use your EIN to readily identify your firm and tax filings. All LLC firms in the USA pay a business privilege tax, and the state requires you to have an EIN to file. You may also be required to provide your EIN when opening a bank account or applying for municipal permits or licenses. Obtaining an EIN is a slightly longer process compared to their previous steps. I'm sure you know anything to do with the IRS is confusing. First, you must have complete knowledge of your LLC, such as your company information, managing member information, business address, business information, company details, and even critical information regarding vehicular assets and federal excise taxes. This is another reason why getting a professional registered agent is way more convenient, as they can do this for you as part of their service. Now, let's talk about the second option to form an LLC, and that is hiring a professional formation service. Professional formation services do all the steps you should be doing on your own, from filing necessary forms to acting as your registered agent. You usually have to allocate a specific budget for this option. As I already mentioned earlier, Incfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Incfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Incfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Incfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Incfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Incfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email, which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Incfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America, so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term piercing the corporate veil comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.